My cute little pet puppy care.
Puppy's got injured while playing. Let's treat him with some first aid. Remove the thorns. Spray. This will help the puppy. It's time for X-ray. Oh, the bone seems to be broken. Let's fix it. You're doing great. Wow! Let's check the temperature. It's time to check the heartbeats. Oh, puppy's normal. Injection time. Let's give the puppy some medicine. Use the magnifier. Oh, germs! Be careful. Let's remove the germs. Wow! You're doing great. The puppy looks fine now. He can go back and play as much as he likes. You were great. It's time to make the puppy stylish.